fairly small bowl, put in 1 cup of chopped up strawberries. Now add 2 tablespoons of flour. And we just want to coat the strawberries in the flour, so just give it a shake. And we'll just set this aside. Get a mixing bowl, stand mixer preferably, and throw in 1/2 cup of softened butter. Add 1 cup of sugar. Now just cream this until it's mixed really well and it's light and fluffy. Should take 1 to 2 minutes. Now add in 2 eggs. Then add 1½ tablespoons of vanilla extract. Now this is my own homemade extract. You can just go onto my channel, go to the search and type in vanilla extract and you can see my recipe for it. Now we want to add 1 3/4 cups of self-raising flour. Now just add some of it while this is mixing. We also want to add 1/2 cup of milk. So we start with flour and end with flour. Then add some milk. Now get those strawberries, chuck them in and fold them through. Now I'll just put it in a cake tin, baking tin. I use one with a push-up base, always. Now preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about 180 degrees Celsius. Should take about 45 to 50 minutes, just until the center is set. Just get a toothpick or a skewer or something. If it comes out clean, it's all good. Now get a mixing bowl, put in a bunch of strawberries, doesn't matter how much. We want to have about 1/4 cup of puree worth, so about 2/3 cup or so of strawberries. Now add about 1/4 cup of icing sugar, also called confectionery sugar. Now get about 1/4 cup or so of cream cheese, softened at room temperature. Now just beat it together. Now we just put the frosting on the cake. Now what I did was, I took it out of the oven, my camera battery died when I did all that, so I didn't film it. And I just turned it around the other way because I want it to be flat. And you just put the frosting over the top of it. So push it like that to the edge, just slightly over, and let it just drizzle down the sides. Now just pop this in the fridge to let this set a little bit, and then cut up into pieces and eat until the cows come home.